I gave ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini the exact same 3 questions. Same words, same order, nothing changed. And the difference in answers was actually kind of shocking. So I'm breaking it down round by round and picking one winner per round. No ties, no cop-outs. Let's go. Round 1, the question. Explain how the stock market works, like I'm 15 years old. Okay, so this is a writing and clarity test. Can you actually simplify something complicated without dumbing it down too much? ChatGPT gave me a solid answer, used an analogy about a marketplace. Clean, easy to follow. Claude went a different direction. It told a little story, like a kid selling lemonade and how people start buying shares of the lemonade stand. It felt like something a good teacher would actually say. Gemini gave me facts, accurate, detailed, but honestly, a bit much for a 15-year-old. It forgot who it was talking to. Round 1 winner. Claude? When the job is explaining something clearly and keeping it human, Claude wins this one easily. Round 2. The question. I have $500 saved. What's the smartest thing I can do with it right now? This one is practical, real, something people actually Google. Claude was careful, almost too careful. Lots of it depends, and consult a financial advisor. Good advice technically, but not very useful if you just want direction. Gemini gave me a structured breakdown. Emergency fund first, then index funds, then skills. Logical, but felt like a textbook answer. ChatGPT just told me what to do. It said, put 3 months of expenses aside first, then put the rest in a low-cost index fund, and if you have debt, pay that before anything. Direct, prioritized, actionable. That's what people actually need when they ask this question. Round 2 winner, ChatGPT. For practical, real-world advice where you just need a straight answer, ChatGPT is your guy. Round 3. The question. Write the opening line of a YouTube video about why most people never achieve their goals. This is pure creativity. One line. Has to stop someone from scrolling. ChatGPT went dramatic. It wrote something like, every year, millions of people set goals, and almost all of them fail. Here's the part nobody talks about. Strong, but feels like every motivational video ever made. Gemini wrote something structured and informative. Safe. Forgettable honestly. Claude wrote this. You don't lack motivation. You don't lack discipline. You just never figured out the one thing that actually makes goals stick. That's different. It challenges the viewer's assumption in the first sentence. It makes you feel like you've been thinking about this wrong. That's what a great hook does. Round 3 winner, Claude. For creative writing that actually makes people feel something, Claude is on another level. Final scoreboard. Okay, so after 3 rounds, here's where we landed. Round 1, explaining things clearly, Claude. Round 2, real-life practical advice, ChatGPT. Round 3, creative writing and hooks, Claude. So, does that mean Claude is the best overall? Not exactly. Because ChatGPT is still the fastest when you just need quick, direct answers. And Gemini is the most up-to-date, which matters more than people think. The real answer is, they're different tools. And the people getting the most out of AI right now are using all 3. Actually, that's my next video. I'm going to show you exactly how I use all 3 together in one workflow. Takes about 20 minutes, gets better results than any single AI alone. Subscribe if you want that one, and comment below which answer surprised you the most. I'm curious what you guys think.